So if you've been using Blender and suddenly your model turns completely purple when you switch to viewport shading, don't panic. This purple color basically means that Blender can't find the texture image that should be linked to your material. Now, here's how I fixed it, step by step. First, go to the Material Properties tab on the right hand side. Here under the Surface section, you'll see something called Base Color. Normally it should show your texture, but when Blender can't find it, it goes purple. Next to Base Color, you'll see a small yellow dot icon. Click on it, and from the menu, select Image Texture. As soon as you do this, Blender will give you an option to choose the texture file. Just click the folder icon and then navigate to the location where you saved your texture image. Select your texture file and boom, the purple disappears and your texture appears correctly. But here's the important part. If your model has multiple materials or multiple textures, you will need to repeat this process for each one manually. Yes, it takes a bit of time, but it guarantees that every material is correctly linked. And that's it, problem solved. No more purple models in Blender.